So this is the image I'm going to use. I am on Pixel Studio. So now in order to create a glass morphism effect, we need to duplicate this layer, Ctrl J to duplicate, and now go to Pixel, Filters, Blur, and then select Gaussian Blur. And now you just need to adjust the radius to your liking. So for example, I'm going to adjust it to around 27 and then just click Apply. And now I'm going to select the Shape tool, left click. So now for example, I want to select the rounded rectangle tool. I'm going to create my rectangle. We can change its size later. And now I'm just going to drag the rounded rectangle layer to the blurred layer, this one here. So this one here is the original. This one, the second one here, is the blurred. So I'm just going to select the rounded rectangle. And then I'm just going to drag it here on the thumbnail here of the blurred layer. So here it is. So now I'm going to select the layer, select the left thumbnail here, this one here. And now I'm going to add some layer effects. Click on the FX here. So I'm going to add the 3D effect. So here it is. You can, for example, change the radius or the other settings. So I'm just going to leave it here like this. And then I'm just going to add an outer shadow. Select the outer shadow, check it. For the angle, it's 315. I'm going to increase the radius and then increase the offset. So I'm just going to reduce a little bit. So I think I'm going to leave it here. So now let's select the Move tool. And now make sure to select the layer mask here, the clipping mask, select it, don't select the left thumbnail here. If I open it, select the clipping mask. And then here, if you move it, so it is blurring only the parts here where the rectangle is. You can also, for example, just make sure to select the clipping mask. You can also, for example, increase the size here. And here, as you can see, it is blurring the part.